Demystifying email and letter writing. Master it with these examples. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our tutorial on email and letter writing. Today, we will specifically focus on sample emails and letters for various purposes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of how to structure your own written communications effectively. Email is a critical tool for communication in today's digital world. Whether you're connecting with friends, colleagues, or potential employers, crafting clear, concise, and engaging emails is a crucial skill. Let's start with a sample professional email. Subject: Meeting Reschedule Request. Dear Mr. Thompson, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to request a reschedule of our meeting originally slated for Tuesday, August 10th. Due to unforeseen circumstances, I will be unavailable on that date. Could we possibly move the meeting to Thursday, August 12th at the same time? Please let me know if this suits your schedule. Thank you for your understanding and flexibility. Best regards. Your name. Now, let's break down this email. The subject line is specific and directly addresses the purpose of the email. The greeting is formal, suiting the professional context. The body of the email explains the situation and proposes a solution. The closing is polite and professional, ending with the sender's name. While letters are less common in the digital age, they remain important for formal communications, particularly in certain business or legal contexts. Here's a sample formal letter. Your address. Date. Recipient's address. Dear Sir, Madam, I am writing to express my interest in the marketing executive role as advertised in the Daily Times. With my experience in brand management and digital marketing, I believe I would make a significant contribution to your team. Please find attached my resume for your review. I am excited about the possibility of bringing my unique skills to your company and would welcome the opportunity to discuss this further. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to your response. Yours sincerely. Your name. Breaking down this letter. The sender's and recipient's addresses and the date are included at the top. The greeting is formal. The body of the letter clearly states the purpose and provides necessary details. The closing is formal and polite, ending with the sender's name. To master any language skill, practice is key. Here are a few exercises. 1. Write a professional email requesting a vacation leave. 2. Write a formal letter expressing interest in a university program. 3. Draft an email to a friend sharing details about your recent vacation. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural and comfortable you'll become with writing in English. And there we have it. I hope these examples have given you a good starting point for writing your own emails and letters. Practice is your best friend here, so don't hesitate to write, revise, and write again. Thank you for joining us, and remember, keep practicing, keep learning. Stay tuned for more helpful English language tutorials.